I haven't got long. They're coming. Nadolig Llawen. Happy Christmas, Rhondda. Do you remember the ripple of excitement that there used to be about who would be Christmas #1? The flying pickets beating off McCartney's Pipes of Peace, striking a blow for the workers. The Top of the Pops audience dancing like dads at a wedding, in their hot pants and Angora sweaters, their flared nostrils and flared trousers. Come on, feel the noise. Back in those days when decisions were made in smoke-filled rooms, before the sterile saunas and meaningless marketeers in hospitality suites. Days when a politician who was inappropriate with a satsuma would resign. Now they get promoted into the cabinet. More political correctness, less integrity. Back in those days when you used to park your car on the hill so you could bump start it in the morning, when neighbours talked over garden fences, borrowing sugar and tips on unwanted pregnancies. I wish it could be Christmas every day. They said there'd be snow at Christmas. They said there'd be peace on earth. Now the world has shrunk to the size of a snow globe, with David Attenborough trapped inside. Fibre optics closing their grip on any notion of the rewilding of Middle Earth. The baby boomers have all grown up, going on genteel walks with plastic bags and pooper scoopers, dawdling dangerously towards demented thoughts about a festive season of floods, plagues and pestilence. I'm walking on air. I'm floating in the midnight sky. I just want to blend into that Top of the Pops Christmas special audience, anonymous, tank-topped and tinselled up. You promised me Broadway was waiting for me. Do they know it's Christmas time at all?